Well, guys, it's Thursday. Start you off yesterday with the snow in Colorado. Buddy Louie down in Colorado, 3 inches of snow. You can see it there, just plow up the foothills of Colorado and eastern Colorado, and then diminish. But just amazing, 3 inches of snow out there, and it was 93 degrees here. Record shattered. Let's look at today, guys, and severe weather breaking up across the mid-Atlantic and into the northeast into Pennsylvania. Some severe weather, but most of it's down here in Florida. Plumes of moisture and a cold front advancing, which is creating the severe weather. And you can see that very well here on radar. Look at the severe weather breaking out all along the East Coast. Severe weather now in Pennsylvania, and a lot of it down here in the southeast. But look on the backside, we got snow falling in the upper Great Lakes. Amazing, guys, amazing. It's April 8th, sorry. Look at the severe weather in the southeast. Albany, Alabama, severe thunderstorm warning. Also up here, up into northern Georgia. A few showers running through the Masters there, with Tiger Woods back in action. But pretty unstable air mass here across the southeast, and severe weather should continue to develop. We zoom in towards Albany, Alabama. Huge thunderstorm developing with 2-inch hail with that. Let's go into the northeast now, southern New England area. Look at the clouds advancing from the west with that pending cold front here. And there it is. There's the cold front with the low and the upper Great Lakes. And pretty much a warm front that's going to be moving north very slowly, and it's going to help trigger our showers and possibly some thunder. Look at the temperatures, guys. 50s to lowest 60s, but look back here in the 30s and 40s, and then look south of that front. We're still in the 75, 80, 86 degrees. Temperatures are all over the place. Triangular front, so that's where we're seeing severe weather down there in Pennsylvania. And that's where we do have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect in southern New York and northern Pennsylvania, a tornado watch down there in the southeast. Here's the setup for that. Again, low pressure up to the north, cold front approaching from the west, and a strong flow from the jet stream. That's how you get your severe weather breaking out along the East Coast. What are we going to expect overnight? Well, that should move east. Should weaken quite a bit overnight, and showers should be commencing here in southern New England tomorrow morning. Light and occasionally moderate showers, probably a ½ inch up to 3/4 of an inch. You can see that on the NAM. Look at the cold front. There's the low pressure. Ahead of that cold front where it's still warm, that's where we're getting most convectivity and the most thunderstorms. That'll push through tomorrow morning with a couple downpours, maybe a rumble of thunder even here in southern New England, but we're going to have to watch that. And then it just turns cold, guys. Look at the setup for tomorrow. Quite chilly behind that front. Showers in the morning, and those should be ending by afternoon. Then it's going to turn quite chilly in the warm air. We're just going to push that out to sea. As you can see here, 80s now. We're warming up across Denver. That means we're cooling down around New England area. 80s down in Florida, but we're in the 50s here in the northeast. Amazing, considering we were close to 100 degrees yesterday. So it's pretty amazing. Roller coaster ride continues. As far as total precip we can expect overnight into tomorrow, this is a GFS. Not sure if I'm buying this. About 1/10 of an inch in rain and almost 2 inches down south of southern New England. That I do believe. But I think we're going to get a little bit more than 0.10 inches. And I'm going to take you to the NAM total precip model here. And this is the one I'm leaning towards for the precip. You can see still holding on most moisture there south of southern New England, but it's actually bringing up about 0.75, ½ inch to 0.75 inches across eastern New England and southern New England. That's the one I'm tending to lean towards there in that area. So could get quite a bit of rain overnight. Nothing too serious. There's a low pressure up to the north, a cold front moving in hot on its heels. That's it for today, guys. It's Anthony's SNE Weather. Be sure to visit me on my new website at www.anthonysneweather.ning.com for more updates on our ever-changing spring weather. Have a good afternoon, guys. That's it for today. Take it easy. Over and out.